Alright guys, welcome back to Fishing 864. This is going to be a camping video. No fishing. Look at here guys. We're literally out in the woods. Here we are. And we're all alone. We're camping in the back of the Toyota, as you guys can see. Got the old Jackery. All that there set up. So yeah, it's dark. I had a late start because I had to do a bunch of errands, had a lot of things that I had to do. We had a fishing trip planned out, but you know, some family members are sick and people's not really feeling all that well tonight, so we're gonna do a little solo truck bed camping out here in the middle of the woods, like literally in the middle of the woods. I mean, this is us for the night. So, with that being said, guys, just stay tuned. Next, gotta get a little thing set up here in the camper, and we're gonna get in there. We're gonna cook us a little something. Wow, that light is bright on you guys. Whew. Cook us a little something to eat. We're gonna relax and watch a movie or something, and just enjoy the night. All right, guys, let's get climbed up in here. Ooh. Kind of get everything a little situated. Oh man, stepping on the old Marlboros. Oh yeah, I forgot all that was back here. Okay. Alrighty, guys. Alright, I got my air mattress pumped all the way up. Like an idiot. And so I don't really have no room here, but I could let some air out of it. See. Alright guys. Shut my old window. Oh yeah, just like that. I let a little air out of my air mattress. My bed, I'm still working on this thing, guys. So my bed, it's a little high, and I got leaks around here, guys. I gotta fix it, which ain't no big deal. So once I fix the leaks around the camper topper, I could go lower on my bed, and that way I'd have more room. I mean, yeah, I'm kind of crunched over, which is if I take a little more air out of the air mattress, I can get down a little lower. But I mean, I really ain't too much worried about it. We're just gonna be, basically, we're just gonna be hanging out, camping out. Got my curtain closed here. Oh yeah. And yeah, guys, we're just gonna chill and have us a step 2 or a 3. And we're gonna eat us something. So let me get everything all fixed up here, guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna get my light plugged in here. Plugged into the old Jackery. So that way, you know, it'll stay charging. And old Jackery's about 94%. It's had that all week, man. It really ain't went down on the charge much, which is awesome. Alright guys. Dang mosquitoes. Dang mosquitoes. Alright guys, let's put my little fan in my window here. And this fan right here, guys, it fits perfectly in this back glass. Right there. I mean, it just fits perfectly right here. Alright, set you guys back right there. And then I just take her here, run my old wire under here, plug her into my old jackery. Good old jackery. That's pretty much it, guys. I got set up here. It's gonna be home for the night. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I got everything all set up in here. I'm all tucked up in the camper here for a few. I got the watching something here on the tablet. Oh, my nose done started running, guys. This weather is really it's 8:45. Give you a weather update. Right now it's 59 degrees. Lows in 49. 1% chance of rain. So yeah, I mean, it's gonna be like 59 tonight. It ain't gonna be too bad. The weather's starting to get where we could do this kind of stuff without burning alive. So I'm gonna get situated a little more here. Thinking about getting a fire going. I'm gonna get us a fire going. Maybe, I don't know, cook us something. I got my little cooker under the bed. So yeah, we're just gonna see what happens. Take you guys along for the journey. I don't know. So stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm gonna get a fire going. I'm gonna get a fire going here. Just on my smoke me Marlboro. It's really not that cold, guys, so we fixed to go on a little journey to get some firewood. It might be a ghost or Bigfoot or aliens. I don't know. So yeah, I'll figure out where's a good spot to build my fire. I mean, I have to back up and stuff here. So I mean, I don't know. That's the road over there. And I guess we could kind of do it here in this area here. So I guess we're just gonna do it right in here. I'm gonna burn off a control burn right here. And yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna go around here and I'm gonna see if I can hunt some firewood. See if we can't get us a fire going or something. Let's go. I mean, there's all kind of firewood. kindling. That's why I like, you know, just camping out in the woods, man. Just, it's unlimited firewood. I mean, I just literally got this with little to no effort. Where was I starting my fire? Okay. I mean, there's just all kinds of firewood here. I mean, like right here. There's just kindling. Alright guys, I'm gonna get the firewood. I'm gonna speed up the process here and I'll be right back. Alright, I got some kindling up here, so I'm gonna sit you guys right here. Put you right here so you guys can see what's going on here. Put your nice little bit of kindling under there. Like so. Oh, damn. Hoorah. Okay. And I do apologize because my allergies are kind of crazy. I'm gonna give her a good little start with that. Alright guys, I got the fire going. Got a little baby fire going. Like I said, I've got the leaves, and so I'm having to burn it off, which is, I can be here, I can have a fire. So I'm just gonna make sure I don't burn the forest down. If anyone's wondering, this is my own land, so there's no need of getting butt hurt. Oh, he's just burning a campfire in the woods. Well, this is my property, so yeah. Alright, well, I've got that going. Oops. You guys gotta get a step 2 going here. This old Michelob Ultra. It's nothing fancy. It's just something that I've had in the cooler from all the fishing trips that I've been on, and it's just what I had laying around. So we're just gonna tackle these. Man, that's pretty good. Oh yeah. So yeah, I got the fire going. As you can see here, it's just starting to burn off a little bit. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna just hang out by the fire and just enjoy a little bit, and have a couple of cold brews, and I don't know, we'll hop in the truck here in a little while and grab us a bite to eat or something. Grab a movie. Just cold hard chill, guys. Stay tuned. It's a warm. It's a pretty good night, guys, to be truck bed camping. I mean, it ain't. It's not extremely hot, if you know what I'm saying. Usually it's just, we haven't been camping because it's been rough this summer, and yeah, we just been hitting the bass and the catfish pretty hard there. But it's getting fall, it's getting that time of year where camping is gonna be a thing, because fishing, we got maybe 2-3 more good weeks of fishing around here before it gets extremely cold, and then they'll just quit. So after that, we kind of kick off into the camping. This is gonna be the first camping video of the year. Hope you guys enjoy it. So yeah, man, that's a really good fire. Pretty good fire. Like I said, it's not cold yet. It's getting cool to where you can have a fire without, you know, burning to death and sweating to death. So yeah, just gonna hang out by the fire, guys. I don't know, make a camping video. This ain't like no bush camping. For all you new subscribers to my channel, this ain't like Bear Grylls where we go and just survive for a month. This is just me and my Toyota pickup truck, and we just, that's basically what it is. We don't twiddle rocks and build fires. We just have some step twos and live a little. Just get out and we live a little, guys. So yeah, basically we're just gonna sit by this fire here and just have us a good old time, guys. Stay tuned. Alright, guys, so just been letting the fire die down a little bit there. This thing got a little chilly outside, and yeah, I could hang out over there by the fire, but it won't be long. We'll be hopping up in the back of the truck here and grabbing us a bite to eat. I mean, it ain't too cold out. This is what the little fire's doing. I put that piece of lighter knot on there, guys, and that rascal has been doing it. Thought I heard like a deer or something running around back there. I don't know. Could have been a raccoon. There's a lot of stray, well, I wouldn't call them stray cats. They were stray cats. My neighbor has been gradually taming them. But I mean, they live out in these woods on my property, and I really don't have an issue with it, because I mean, they don't really bother nothing. They kind of you know, help kick back on the rats and just whatever else out here they just eat. And so yeah, they got a little home out here. I don't know about where they're staying, but they're here somewhere, and that's probably what we've been hearing. I mean, I don't know. Could have been a deer, skunk, coyote. I mean, I don't know. But yeah, man, that ladder knot's doing pretty good. I mean, I'm not sure where this video's gonna go, guys, and I'm sure I'm probably all over the place, but I haven't filmed a camping video in a long time, so I'm trying to get back into that groove and all that. This is probably boring to some of you guys. Some of you guys may enjoy it. I notice you guys like my camping videos pretty good, especially when I get out here in the snow and the thunderstorms and the bad weather. You guys like that, and I noticed that. I noticed you guys loving that. But see, here's the thing. I live in South Carolina. Okay, it probably, I mean, it did some, you know, some weather this summer, but it's being in the right spot at the right time, and just unfortunately I couldn't be at the right place at the right time. So I don't know, man. I've been trying to get out there and film in thunderstorms and ultralight tent camping in severe weather and stuff. I mean, I know you guys like it. I've seen the views, I've seen you guys' comments, and I have seen what you guys want to see. So I'm trying to get that more out there for you. This old man will ramble on, so I guess I'm just gonna cut this scene, and I'm gonna let this fire die down. And hey guys, so the fire's dying down. I'm gonna hop in the camper here. Let's get up in here. Uh-oh. That wasn't good. But that's, you know, okay. Let's get oh boy. It's tight, but I mean, I love my camper. I love my camper. Like I said, it's a tight fit. Once I, you know, get my bed built, my more permanent bed. I got this twin air mattress just sitting on a camping cot, so it's up really high. Once I get my bed built and I fix all these little leaks around where the camper topper meets the bed of the truck, like, it's an old Toyota, man. It's beat to shit. It was beat to shit before I got it, but hey. But once I get the leaks fixed, I'll build my bed. I get my bed lower, you know, down further into the bed of the truck here, and I'll be able to, you know, sit on my bed comfortably and, you know, stand, you know, sit up. Won't have to hunker down like this. But this is way better than a tent. I mean, I love it. I got my jacker, got my TV, got my power, got the old fan there. So yeah, we just climbed up in here, guys, and I'm gonna get a movie or something going here, guys, and I don't know, we're gonna chill a little bit. I hope that fire. Yeah, let's see here. Let's open my window, my curtains. There's the fire out there. Yeah, I mean, it's still a fire. I'll keep my eye on it. I'll go out there and disassemble it here in a minute. I'll get get us some movie going or something here. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I got some show Wipeout going here on the tablet, so I'm just gonna kick back and watch some Wipeout. Alright guys, so then I got a little hungry here. We're just gonna get us a little something to eat. I stopped by Walmart on the way here and just basically got me some chicken here, and kind of done ate about some of it already. Got some taters and some teriyaki chicken and some tater wedges and some buffalo ranch. Oh man, I knew I wasn't gonna feel like cooking anything tonight. Yeah, that's my bad, I guess. That's some good buffalo ranch sauce, man. Walmart has some really good buffalo ranch. Pretty decent. Pretty decent. My old stomach done started growling. Pretty good. Pretty good on the go. Finger licking good. Oh yeah. Oh. It's pretty good stuff there. Excuse me. So I'm gonna polish this off. Oh man. Whew. That buffalo ranch is pretty saucy, guys. Definitely try that out. All right. I think I'm done with that. I'm gonna get all this mess cleaned up. And all right guys, I got all that cleaned up. Oh, dude, it's getting a little chilly in here now. I'm not quite sure what the current temperature is because I left my thermometer at the house. I bought me a thermometer to put in the camper just for this, but however, I left it at home. But the temperature has dropped a little bit because I can tell, because obviously I'm cold, a little bit cold, a little chilly, okay? But if the temperature does drop, you know, and it does get a little chilly, you know, off into the morning hours, I do have my buddy heater under my bed, so I could always get that thing out and crank it up if need to be. The fire is out, I would say. It's almost 11 o'clock at night. So I gotta step out the camper and use the restroom real quick. Used a bush over behind the Toyota. So I'm gonna step out, handle all that. We'll come back, get a little something going on TV or whatever. I might wind it on down. So we'll see what happens. Oh man. Well, good morning, y'all. Oh, it's the next morning. Oh, man. That was a pretty good sleep, guys. It got a little chilly this morning. Some light on you so you guys can see me. Oh man. It's like 8:30 in the morning, guys. I kind of overslept a little bit. We got a lot of things to accomplish. Oh shit. Okay, we got a lot of things we got to accomplish this morning. I think we're gonna go out and film a fishing video for you guys. But yeah, I mean, it was a good sleep last night. It got a little chilly last night. It wasn't chilly enough to where I had to have my buddy heater on or anything. I don't know. I think this sleeping bag is rated for like 30 degrees or something like that. So I really didn't get cold unless, I came out of the sleeping bag. But, yeah, guys, I'm gonna get her loaded up here. What little bit of stuff I got throwing in the truck here. Get on out of here. Got a lot of things to do, guys. So stay tuned. Whew. I don't know, guys. It looks like it might rain today. I don't know. And the way these clouds are looking. I don't know. You guys can see that with my wide lens. And this is where we camped last night. Excuse me, guys. This is where we camped out. Last night we just drove the Yoda down the old four-wheeler trail. Here we are. Yeah, it's a little chilly out this morning. The wind's blowing a little bit. I'm not real sure if we're gonna get any fishing done today or not. Maybe when it warms up a little bit, if it warms up today. If not, I ain't going. It's a little chilly, which is I don't really have forgot my jacket at the house, so I'm just in this little Realtree fishing shirt, super thin, ain't nothing to it. But I'm gonna finish my smoke here, guys, and I'm gonna finish tightening up, pick this little bit of trash up, just a few beer cans I got, and throw it in the back of the Yoda, and we'll be back, guys. If we do this one hand, guys, because I got you fellers in my hand. there's a gap in it. Somebody tried to break in it. Pour all my shit up. Oh, I got the heat going in the old Yoda, guys. Whew. Oh man. But yeah, like I said, guys, this is gonna conclude today's camping adventure. I gotta get home, unload this truck, load the fishing stuff up, have a little bit of breakfast, do a little video editing on this video. If you guys like these camping videos, hit that like button, subscribe already if you hadn't, leave a comment. Let me know where you want me to go, guys. You guys let me know where you want me to go camp this winter. And if it ain't 552 billion miles away, we'll try to make it happen for you guys. But until then, man, hey man, y'all keep on camping. Live a little. Fishing. 864, my hair's messed up. Till next time, keep those lips a ripping. Fishing, 864, we gone. Peace.